Are you looking for something to add a little bit of interest to your projects? This is it. All you need is your medium, all sorts of medium for wood, for fabric, ceramic, many different projects. Get your medium, in my case, underglaze, and just put different colors with a brush or a squeegee, even your finger, and it goes straight through, no problem. And then you just wash it off under the tap, just rinse it, clean it out for your next project. Very handy because it has an adhesive which sticks to your project, therefore it doesn't shift around while you're applying your medium. It has lines where you can cut them into your individual pieces, which I've already done here with another sheet. Then place them back on their backing sheet, ready for your next project. They're very easy to use, very durable, and there's many different designs. Have fun with your next project.